Welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I achieve this amazing definition using CurlMix 4-step wash and go system, keep watching. So if you guys can't tell already, I'm super excited about trying out CurlMix. This is my first time using their products, and I have been wanting to use their products for some time. So within their kit, they have 4 steps. So step 1 is their shampoo. Their shampoo is a clarifying shampoo, and it smells amazing. The scent is vanilla berry fragrance, and I absolutely love it. I can't think of any other hair care brand that I've ever smelled this scent before, but I don't know, like it just smells like I want to eat it. And y'all know how big I am on scents. So you'll see me right now, and I am making sure that I thoroughly get this shampoo worked into my hair. Again, I really don't add shampoo to the length of my hair, but I make sure that I work it throughout my whole entire head. And I do shampoo my hair in sections, so I will do the right side first and then I'll do the left side. Let me know, do y'all do this? Am I the only one that does this? Y'all know I have issues with shedding, so instead of me allowing this hair to go down the drain, I just stick it right on the wall. So we're going to go in with their step number 2, which is their pure grapeseed conditioner, which is a hydrating conditioner with ultra slip. Now I will say that it definitely has a lot of slip in it, but it was something that, I don't know, it was something that was missing because I used a lot of conditioner. And when I say a lot, y'all about to see, I used a lot. And this is just one section of my head. And I continue to apply it, and of course continue to put all of my shed hair on the bathroom wall. I don't know, I guess maybe I didn't feel like my hair was moisturized. I don't know, like I was looking for it to feel some type of way. Maybe because the shampoo was clarifying, and that's why my hair was feeling a little stripped, I guess. But we're moving on to the next side of my hair, and we're going to go ahead and finish that out. And then I do have now all my shed hair, so the wall is clear and clean. So let's move on to the detangling process and me washing out the conditioner. Because today I'll be using only their 4-step system, I definitely want to make sure that I leave in that conditioner for a little bit, and then of course detangle my hair fully. And then y'all see, like, my hair is looking, now that I've washed out the conditioner, my hair is looking and feeling super hydrated.
I rose from the ground, and none of these hoes that I can't take it. Poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry.
So now it's time to go in with step 3, which is their pure avocado moisturizer. Again, this whole entire system is their strengthening kit, because I do deal with a lot of shedding, and with my hair being high porosity, I just want to make sure that I have the best products that handle and assist with strengthening your strand. So now you'll see me over here filling this moisturizer. I'm able to smooth this moisturizer through my hair with no problem. I have no more tangles. Of course, y'all know I already love the smell, because the smell is cohesive with all of the products. And now it's time for step 4, which is the last step, and that is their pure flaxseed gel, which is also strengthening, and it is infused with organic castor oil. And y'all know all of the great benefits of castor oil. Comment and let me know, have you guys ever tried CurlMix, and what are your thoughts? What was your experience? Do you regularly do wash and goes? Because y'all know that is my favorite hairstyle in the summertime. So you'll see me raking this product through my hair. I did feel that it was very lightweight and just kind of not what I thought it was gonna be. I don't know. I have made my own flaxseed gel before, so I just thought it would look more like gel and not so much like this creamy, watery based product. So I wasn't sure how my wash and go was going to come out at this point, but I wanted to make sure that it was super defined. So I did like this shingling method to make sure that no strand was left unsaturated. That was my goal, and this did take some time. So this is in real time how long it took me. in this particular section to just make sure that that the product was raked evenly throughout. I actually had somewhere to go, and I typically don't diffuse my hair, but because I was on a time crunch, I did diffuse it. And I actually even left out the house with my hair a tad bit still wet, but overall, I was completely satisfied. My hair was shiny, hydrated, and divine, and I especially like my day 2 hair. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.
Don't need your doubts. I'ma stay 10 toes down. Look how I rose from the ground. And none of these hoes gonna get taken. Poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry.